Hi there. Today's topic is about Data Loader Basics, where I will introduce you to the app and some of the features that it offers. Data Loader is a client application for the bulk import or export of data. We use it to insert, update, delete, or export Salesforce records. When importing or inserting data, Data Loader reads, extracts, and loads data from comma separated values files or what we call the CSV file, or from a database connection. When exporting data, its output is also a CSV file. Now, there are two ways that you can use Data Loader. One is via interface, where you work interactively to specify the configuration parameters, CSV files used for import and export, and the field mappings. Now, the other way is via the command line, which is only available in Windows. And this is where you specify the configuration, data sources, mappings, and actions in files. This interface enables you to set up Data Loader for automated processing. Now, let me give you a quick run through on how the interface works. We'll import some account records that I've listed on an Excel file here. So in Data Loader, we click on the Insert button, choose Account for the Salesforce object, and browse through the location of your file. So that'll be my sample file here. Click Open. Now, note that this has to be a CSV file. So ensure that you have saved your Excel file as a CSV file. Now click Next, and a pop-up window will appear that will give you an overview on the number of records that will be processed by the operation, which just basically matches with the total number of rows that you have on your file minus the header. Next is you define the columns in your CSV file to map it with the equivalent field in Salesforce. So to do that, we click on Create or Edit a Map button here. You can either click on Auto Match Fields to Columns, or you can also use the drag and drop functionality of Data Loader, where you look for the name of the field and drag it over to the column header that matches it. So once that is done, click on OK, click Next, and finish. And that should start the operation. Now let's talk about the key features that Data Loader offers. It has an easy to use wizard interface for interactive views, such as the one that I have shown you. It has an alternate command line interface for automated batch operations. So that's this one. It supports for large files with up to 5 million records. It has the drag and drop field mapping feature. It supports all objects, so both standard and custom objects. It can be used to process data in both Salesforce and database.com. It also has a detailed success and error log files in CSV format. So that is this. When you click on View Success here, open an external program that should give you a success file. And we also have a detailed error file. So this gives us an error on why it did not import the records. Now, it also has a built-in CSV file viewer. So the success and error file that I have shown you You can also access that from the file viewer. So if you click on view here, view CSV, you'll see here open the last success file and open the last error file. Now, lastly is that it supports both Windows and Mac computers. So that covers for a brief introduction on Data Loader. Follow us on for some more videos about Data Loader and other Salesforce features. Goodbye now.